Hi, you can see my full metapixel server-side tracking, and also you can see my even mesh quality is too much good. Oh, so now let's check the parameters. Mm, you can see my parameters all are getting good. Also check view content like here. Okay, so now today I'll show you how to set customer lifetime value in Meta ads. Okay, so let's start. And I already set up, you can see my purchase tag here. You can see I already added. So now let's run. Okay. Okay. It's coming here. Page bill. Let's purchase a product. Add to cart. Check out. So, okay, now. Okay, it's done. You can see. Also check here, and you can see purchase event is coming here. And let's check the tag. Okay, you can see it's tag customer lifetime value. Also, okay, let's check event manager, and you can see here. That's it. And this is my server side tracking. So this is my full server side tracking, and I'm not sending like from browser event, okay? And this event are only getting from server. So you can see my tags here, and here is server side setup, and here you can see my all tags are fired successfully and working perfectly. You can see everything is showing perfectly. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you want to set up, then please contact me.